Hello, Sonoma. I'm feeling great today, and I hope you are too. Hey, I got my pirate draw here from the Draw Pirate with Miss Cassie Stevens. I decided my pirate would be me, except I did not draw my glasses. She is a musical bandana. And she's on a desert island here with some palm trees. And you see, it's Mary McMelody as her name for the theft of the singing parrot. I'm the singing parrot, and I've got a song for you today, a Sailorman song. So, anyway, I hope you had fun drawing a pirate if you did that activity. And if you didn't, I put it on Blooms on Monday. Then you all can go to Cassie Stevens and search for Pirate Week and draw a pirate, and you can draw a pirate of your own. But we're going to say bye to Mary McMelody. Mary McMelody. We has to be going, so we're going to leave ya now. Arr. And I'm going to give you a topic for the day. And today's topic is meter. Oh, yes, meter. We're going to get you closer to the page. Whoop, that's the wrong direction. Watch my arm. Taking the tripod down, putting it closer to you all, and working this up. Okay, I know the paper is rectangular. It doesn't look very rectangular, but, well, we'll go with it. So the song we're going to learn is Going Over the Sea, and it is grouped in beats of 2. Meter is what we're going to review today. I've talked about meter with 3rd and 4th grade, but just a reminder in case you forgot. Sure you didn't. Meter is how many beats are in a group. In music, we group these beats in a measure. A measure. So what's it look like? Well, it looks like this. If we had a rhythm right here, y'all, I don't know if you can see it, but probably should have made it bigger. I have ta, 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 ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. See this here, 2? That means there are 2 beats in a measure. You see that there? That's quarter note. You know what quarter notes are. We say ta when we see quarter notes. So let's see. Are there indeed 2 quarter note, the value of 2 quarter notes in every measure? 1, 2. Well, we do know that 2/8 notes beamed equal 1 quarter note. 1, 2. 2/8 notes beamed equal 1 quarter note. 1, 2. 1 and a quarter rest is equal to a quarter note, 2. So there are indeed 2 beats in every measure, and a quarter note is indeed getting 1 beat. And these yellow things that divide the rhythm into measures are called bar lines. Doot, 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 doot. A little review. 2 beats in a measure. Meter tells us how many beats are in a measure and what kind of note gets 1 beat. And here, a quarter note gets 1 beat. And as I said earlier, tas work 1 beat. 2/8 notes beamed at the top, are equal to 1 beat. So where's a rhythm? Okay, see our little heartbeat? Thump, 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 thump. We can say ta, ta, ti, ta. And if we did it again, it would be ta, ta, ti, ta. You try it. Ready, go. I should put a repeat sign here. If I put these 2 dots in front of these 2 bar lines, that means we repeat it. All right, y'all. But, yes, sneaky. Yes, sneaky. Yes, meters aren't always the same. Ah! That's true. They're not always the same. I don't believe it. Well, I'll prove it to you, little Mr. Sneaky there. Back up. Let me move this here paper down. See, there's the word meter. Meter tells us how many beats are in a measure and what kind of note gets a beat. There is a dot after that quarter note. I know. We call it a dotted quarter note. No kidding. Yes, Sneaky, it is a dotted quarter note. 2 beats, but, oh, a quarter note gets 1 beat. A dotted quarter note gets 1 beat. A dotted quarter note gets 1 beat. A dotted quarter note gets 1 beat. Ah! Really, Sneaky. So let's look at a rhythm, or let's look at some note values and durations. Remember, duration means how long something lasts. We've got a quarter note. It's equal to not 2, but 3/8 notes. Not 2, but 3/8 notes. And we read it as blueberry. Blueberry. Right, Sneaky. Or a dotted quarter note equals a quarter note plus an 8th note. And we don't read this ta-ti like we did up here. The ta is longer than the t, so it's ta-ti, ta-ti. Let me try. Blueberry ta-ti. You've got it, Sneaky. Whoopee! Let's see an example. That's exactly where I was going. Meter tells us how many beats are in a measure and what kind of note gets a beat. So this is 2 over a quarter note. I'm ready to read it. I can read upside down. You can. Oh, yes. Ta-ti, blueberry, ta. You forgot the repeat sign. Oh, I did, didn't I? Well, I got my pen here. Remember, when we add 2 dots to 2 bar lines at the end, it says do it again. All right, 2 times, y'all. Are you ready? Here we go. Ready, go. Ta-ti, blueberry, ta. Ta-ti, blueberry, ta. Woo, yay. Oh, you are so smart, Sneaky. Just a review. Meter tells the number of beats in a measure. What kind of note gets 1 beat? I'm ready for the song. Well, so am I. So let's put this back and get the song out. It is from one of our music books. We're not going to read this side. We're just going to look at this side. And I cannot get my phone any closer to this page, so I hope you can see it. If you can't, I will help you out. Can you sit up there, Sneaky? No. There, he did it. All right. So let me get my ukulele here to get the key. Oh, look it right there. 2 over a dotted quarter note. That's our meter. Meter is the word for the day. And that's not the pitch we're singing. Let me try that. Doing this in the key of F. When I was 1, I ate a bun going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman's ship, and the sailorman said to me, going over, going under, stand at attention like a show soldier with a 1, 2, 3. So now that you've heard it one time, I want to do a little bit of solfa here. Do is on G, right there. This note down here is so do. Echo me, please. So do. So do. Good job. Let's look here. What do we have here? Do, mi, so. Do, mi, so. Your turn. Do, mi, so. Great job. Ooh, look at this. Over the sea. So-la-ti-do, sing it after me. So-la-ti-do, your turn. So-la-ti-do. We have some interesting things going over here. We actually have a pattern. Do, do, mi. Oops. Do, do. So, so, do, mi. So, so, do, mi. So, 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 do, mi. So, so, do, mi. So, so, do, do, do. Echo me, please. So, do, me. Your turn. So, do, me. Good job. Okay, now that we've got a little bit of your ear prepped for this song, would you please echo the phrase after me? When I was one, I ate a bun going over the sea. Your turn. When I was one, I ate a bun going over the sea. My turn. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me, your turn. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me, my turn. I'm going to do this whole thing and then I want you all to sing after me. When I was one, I ate a bun going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me, one, your turn. When I was one, When I was one, I ate a bun going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me. I think you probably have got that down there. We practice this with so, fa, so, do, me. I think you won't have any trouble. Let me sing that whole thing for you. So, do, me, so, do, me, so, do, me, so, do, me, so, do. Now I'll sing it with the words. Going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. Sing that part with me this time. 1, here we go. Going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. Let's do the whole song. Verse 1. When I was one, I ate a bun going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me, going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. 2. I don't know if you can see those words, but I have something here to help you out that you should be able to see much better. You're going to have to move there, Sneaky. So the notes are this, the pitches are all the same, just the words are a little bit different. Here we go, we're at number 2. 1, 2, ready. When I was 2, I tied my shoe, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me, going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. Missed the chord. Ready, number 3. When I was 3, I bumped my knee, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me, going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. Verse 4. When I was 4, I shut the door, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me, going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. Verse 5. When I was 5, I learned to jive, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me, going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. This time, when we sing see, me, and 3, maybe you could clap this pattern like this. Going over the sea, jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me, going over. So maybe you can clap that or you can snap it or you can pat it on your legs. I will play it in the guitar chord. Picked up sticks. When I was 6, I picked up sticks, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me, going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with 1, 2, 3. When I was 7, I went to heaven, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman ship and the sailorman said to me. Going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. Verse 8. When I was 8, I learned to skate, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman's ship, and the sailorman said to me, going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. Verse 9, I think. When I was 9, I climbed a vine, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman's ship, and the sailorman said to me, going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. When I was 10, I caught a hen, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a sailorman's ship, and the sailorman said to me, going over, going under, stand at attention like a soldier with a 1, 2, 3. So I hope you had fun with the Sailorman song. I haven't seen y'all today, sweeties. No, can I move it? Going up, going up, going up, going up, going over, up, up. There you are. It is good to see you. Sneaky and I had fun singing with you today, and we hope you will join us for the singing along on Friday. Until then, goodbye, mis chicos.